Today we're talking about Neon, Money Talks, an app that turns your phone calls into a money-making tool. With this app you make calls through your phone and get compensated for minutes you spend talking with other Neon users. The app promises a few key things: paid calls where you earn for every minute of conversation, strong privacy protections where your personal information is anonymized and redacted, referral bonuses you can earn by inviting friends, and quick secure payouts. According to the Play Store listing, the promises include paid calls, earn for every minute of phone conversation you have with other Neon users, and privacy first. We anonymize everything and redact any personal information you share on your calls. If you're curious how it works, the idea is simple. You install the app, make your calls using Neon rather than your regular phone dialer, accumulate conversation minutes while talking to other Neon users, then withdraw or redeem the rewards the app gives you. The app claims easy to use: just make calls through our app to start earning. The app's data safety disclosure indicates it collects personal info and audio, shares data types with third parties, and says the data is encrypted in transit. So while the model is interesting, it's important to consider what you're trading: call minutes plus your personal/Audi data, for the reward. On the downside, there are user complaints. Some reviewers say the app crashes during calls, payouts are denied or significantly reduced without explanation, and customer support does not respond reliably. For example, one user wrote, "App isn't even worth it anymore. They'll deny payments for calls you made, and customer support never responds at all." Another wrote, "Scam. I haven't gotten paid in almost a month. My $10 referral got reduced to $1, and my payouts, still not paid out." These reports suggest caution and thorough verification before investing large time into the app. If you decide to try Neon, here are a few practical tips. Make sure you fully read the terms of service and FAQ to understand how calls are measured, what counts, and how payouts happen. Monitor your call logs and payout history carefully. Try a small referral or small call amount first before scaling. And keep screen recordings or logs of your activity and payments in case you need support. Also, given the data collection disclosures, weigh how comfortable you are sharing audio and personal info, even if anonymized. In summary, Neon offers a novel concept: earn money from calls you're already making. The model is simple and appealing. But there are meaningful risks: user reports of non-payment, reduced rewards, and data collection concerns. If you want to experiment, it may be worth a small test run, but you should not rely on it as a stable income source without further proof. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.